Hey guys, now it's Sunday, 10:30 in the morning. Let's go for a bike ride. Everything ready. So clip in and let's go. Exactly, same spot every time. I think I will break maybe 2 minutes and I'll go a little more and turn back. The mountain looks so different because the autumn leaves, so the color has changed. But sorry, you can't see well, but yeah, very nice. So now I got 37k, so about 23 more k to go. Should be fine. I think I got a headwind right now, so it will be a little tough back home. But the weather is very nice, so should be good. So a little bit more, I'll get home. So tired today, I don't know why, and it's quite windy, but should be fine. I'll get home. Tired today, I don't know why. I know I need to train more, I think. Okay, I'll go eat and rest. So thank you for watching, guys. See you next video. See ya.